has been a test of the emergency alert system for NOAA Weather Radio by the National Weather Service in Boise, Idaho. We now return to our regular programming.
Cloudy in the evening, then clearing. Lows 49 to 63. Thursday, partly cloudy. A slight chance of rain showers in the morning. Then a chance of rain showers and thunderstorms in the afternoon. Thunderstorms may produce gusty winds and small hail in the afternoon. Chance of rain 30%.